everyone, my name is Harshit Parikh and today I have brought a science model, and the name of that science model is Periscope. And Periscope uses the basic principle of reflection. Now what is reflection? Reflection is when a light source or a light ray hits a surface or an object, it bounces back or is reflected. This phenomenon is known as reflection. So, to make a periscope, we need two reflections. That means two objects which can reflect. So, let's get started. So, to make it, first we need this sweet box or any box you have, and the most suitable thing to reflect the mirrors. So, we need two pieces of mirrors, not a big piece of mirror, only these small pieces, which you can go to a shop and buy. And next we need very little cardboard, just a very little, to give some support to the mirror. First I have taken the sweet box or any box you have, and then you have to make two holes. So first hole I have made here and the second hole I have made here. So the hole is like this and this. So these two are the holes. So first one, this one I have made for the light source to enter and this one to exit. So it's going to be magic. It will, the light source will come here and come out here from a simple looking box. So now let me show you how this is working. So now this light ray comes over here, it reflects from this mirror and comes on this mirror, and then this mirror also reflects it and it comes out of the hole. So as you can see, the laser is coming out of this hole and we can see it over on this. So this is how this whole periscope works. So now let us understand what is the science behind it. How is this all working? So now this part is the incident ray. So now we have kept the mirror on a 45 degree of the incident ray. Now you must be knowing that the incident angle and the reflected angle are always equal. So what we need over here is we need a 90 degree angle. So what we need to do for that is we need to keep the incident angle on 45 degree. So automatically the reflected angle will also be 45 degree. So 45 plus 45 degree is equal to 90 degree. So this is how it becomes 90 degree angle. Similarly, we will keep our second mirror in like the same way, and then it goes out of the exit hole. So now let me give you a trick how to fix these mirrors at a 45 degree angle. So first we have to make a line where the light ray will come, that means the incident ray will come, and then we have to measure over here through with the incident angle. We have to measure a 45 degree angle and then make a line, and on the line we have to keep our mirror, and this is how it will start working. Similarly, you will keep the second mirror. So now let me show you how periscopes work. So now I will show you from normal side how you are viewing, and then I will show you how periscopes. So see, and now you can see me through the periscope, but now you can see me normally. How you can see me without a periscope. You are seeing me with a periscope, and now not a periscope. Usually, you know what, you can make your periscopes this much small and you can make it out of a pipe or something. But you know why I have made this type of periscope and this type of big box I have used? Because in the other periscopes which we will make of pipes, we can't present how the mirrors are arranged and all those things which we can do in this. So if I would have made that, I couldn't have shown you this all things would have made. And we can also open it and close it, and whatever we can do whatever we want. So it will be easy for presentation. And this is mainly made. It is made for projects to show in Science Week and all those things. So I have also showed this in my science exhibition, and then it was a very nice project. And you know what? Everybody in my class and everybody were telling that this project is very nice, it is awesome, and this is very excellent and all those things. So I like this project so much, and this was a very good project. You can also make this project, and you can also win any science contest or all those things by making this project. The main thing in this is presentation. So in this normal periscopes, as I told you, you can't do presentation, but in this one you can do it very nicely. Like you can show where the holes are and all those things. And do you know where these periscopes are used? Periscopes are used in submarines. When the submarine is underwater or is submerged in the water, the top part of the periscope comes out of the water, and then we can view the enemy and all, and we can attack whoever we want. Also in tanks, periscopes are used. Like the people who are inside the tank can use the periscopes to view outside whatever is there, because the people inside the tank can't come out, or they may get any bullet injury or something. And to see over a wall, to see above a crowd, we use periscopes. I hope you enjoyed my video. And now you can make your own periscopes, your own science exhibition and all those activities. You can make this periscope. So it's a very useful thing. And if you liked my video, please like it, share it to your friends, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. So now let me show you how periscopes work. So now I will show you from normal side how you are viewing, and then I will show you how periscopes. So see, and now you can see me through the periscope, but now you can see me normally, how you can see me without a periscope.